Dose of J here, back again with another video. Hey! Today we're actually gonna do like a little short vlog. Switch it up, right? Right now the 3, one of its headlights is out, so I have to go over to the store and get a headlight bulb so that all good again. You know what I mean? I haven't actually showed you guys the car, so it's just a daily, but yeah, I'll show you guys the 3. Yeah, so guys, don't mind all the dirt on it right now. It's kind of dirty, but like you see, the 3 is here. You know, just a little stock of daily to drive upon. You know how she's doing. You know, yeah, she's doing all right. But anyway, yeah, she's cool. She's alive. Yeah, so right now, I don't know if you can see it, but here we go. We are missing our low beam right now, so we have to go to the store and get that low beam because on this side, it's good, okay? There it is, boys. Part Source, the place to get headlight parts. Alright guys, so now we are here. I'm gonna go inside. I'm going to get the part that I need. We'll go back to my house and we'll put the headlight back in. This is the part that I do not like now, is putting this guy into this guy. So, yeah. This is the part where Mazda kind of screwed it up, because trying to install this thing shouldn't be so hard. Well, not really hard, but annoying, because like the spacing here, like there's like, I mean, I guess it's okay, but not really as much space. The problem is the clips in these things. Anyone that has a Mazda 3 first gen and sees the clips for this car to like lock in the lights knows that this thing kills your fingers, like kills it. But you know, let's just get into it. Let's just do it. See how it goes. Open it. Now remember, kids, do not touch the bulb. Hold it from the bottom. That way you don't shorten the lifespan of the bulb. So yeah. But y'all already knew that. Now, if I'm correct, it's the middle one. So obviously it's this one right here. Gosh, it's not helping that it's cold too, so yeah. Bruh. Show you guys the progress so far. So far, I took out the little, you know, your little clippy thing there, boys. Now we take off the little plasticky little guy. And now it's just now here's the part I hate, the clip. Okay? This clip, I swear, is like the hardest thing to take out. I swear. Oh, but pray for me, everyone. Look, yeah, yeah, guys, we got it out. Let's just take this guy out now, cause you know it's done. Oh, with the old in with the new. Remember, kids, hold from the bottom, hold from the bottom. Snap it in there. Now to put this boy back in. Ole. Okay. So after a dang trial and error, 3 hours later. I'm just kidding, guys. But after that, it's in. See, I got it. Ain't moving. Actually didn't take as long as I expected it to, which, I mean, it shouldn't take long anyway due to the fact that it's just a head bulb. But seriously, Mazda, what were you guys thinking? Plug it in, plug it in. Ugh. Oh, it should be plugged in. Now for the final test to start the car. Hey, all right, guys. I think we got it. I think we got it. Okay, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. 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 Now both lights are working. That's a little, a little small install. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you guys want more vlogs or whatever style installs. I don't know, whatever you guys want me to do, right? The feel for it. Just try different stuff, because it's not only my channel, it's our channel. We grow together, right? But that's the end of the vlog, and until the next video, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Dose of J. Peace out.